Good morning, students. Welcome you all once again to my English class. Students, today I am making this video for questions and their answers of your practice paper. Last time I have taken one video conference with the students of Standard 10, as well as I have made 3 videos of the same chapter. The book name, Footprints Without Feet. Chapter number 5, and the title of the chapter is also Footprints Without Feet. I have taken one video conference as well as 3 videos I have uploaded on your school's website. Hope you have gone through them very closely. If haven't, so I suggest you please go through those videos properly at first and you will understand the real concept of the story. Students, today I am making this video for the same chapters, questions and their answers. So today I have taken the book practice paper of class 10. Practice paper, English practice paper of your class 10. And page number 356. Page number 356. Today I am going to solve the given questions in your practice paper. See the first question. Read the extracts given below and answer the question that follow each. Question number 1. Brilliant scientist. This is an extract from your story. Brilliant scientist though he was, Griffin was rather a lawless person. His landlord disliked him and tried to eject him. In revenge, Griffin set fire to the house. To get away without being seen, he had to remove his clothes. This is a piece of writing from the story. And now it's time for the question answer. Hope you are looking at your book right now, and as I'm giving the answer, try to solve at your book, in your book. Question number 1. He removed his clothes so that he could dash. The 4 options are there. You have to select one. The 4 options are move freely, become invisible, bath properly, get away easily. So among these 4 options, as far I think, the option B is the correct answer. Become invisible. So give the tick mark, fill the dash, as well as the space provided, fill that one. So he removed his clothes so that he could become invisible. Next, number 2. Griffin was a man of dash. Griffin was a man of dash nature. Comic nature, witty nature, irritable nature, or calm nature. So the correct option is B, witty nature. Number 3. As a scientist, Griffin was undoubtedly dash. As a scientist, Griffin was undoubtedly brilliant. as a scientist, Griffin was undoubtedly brilliant. Yes, he was a brilliant scientist. At the same time, he was a lawless person. He committed crimes. That another matter. But he was brilliant. Why? Because he found the formula to become human body invisible. Next, number 4. Griffin set fire to the house dash. Whose house he set on fire? Griffin set fire to the house of his landlord in revenge because his landlord disliked him. So in revenge he set fire to the house. Next question 2. They naturally gave a chase. In the end, he was able to escape only by quickly taking off his newly found clothes. So once more, he found himself invisible but naked in the chilly January year. Number 1. He removed clothes to become invisible, but it was quite annoying, shameful, tedious, or uncomfortable. The correct option is D. Uncomfortable. He removed clothes to become invisible, but it was quite uncomfortable. Why it was quite uncomfortable? Because it was the month of January. It was quite chilly weather. It was quite cold. That's why it was uncomfortable. Number 2. He had become unintentionally a dash. Lawful person, a wild person, a criminal, a sinner. As for I think, the correct option is a criminal. He had become unintentionally a criminal. Why? Because he committed some crimes. Illegally, he entered in some rooms. He stole some items. He robbed somebody. So, in front of law, he committed some crimes. So, he was a criminal. Next, 3. They referred to here are the assistants of a big London store. They, T-H-E-Y, they, the word, the pronoun used in a piece of writing, question number 2, referred here the assistants of a big London store where the scientist Mr. Griffin encroached for his comfort. Next, number 4. Griffin wanted to escape because he did crimes. Griffin wanted to escape because dash. Why? Why did he want to escape? Because he wanted to escape from the cops. Because he committed some crimes. That's why. And he knew that he was visible that time. Because why he was visible? He was visible because he put on overcoat, hat, shoes. That's why he was visible. He knew it. That's why he wanted to escape from there. Because he very nicely knew that he could be caught by the people. Because he was visible, but at the same time, he was solid. Next page, number 3. Then to his amazement, he realized that the room appeared to be empty. He and his wife looked under the desk and behind the curtains and even up the chimney. There wasn't a sign of anybody. Yet the desk had been opened and the housekeeping money was missing. It was strange for the people. Why? Because the desk, the drawer of the desk was open and the housekeeping money was missing. But nobody was there. The room appeared to be empty. It was really means something strange, peculiar for them. Question number 1. What were they looking for? This is a question actually, okay. What were they looking for? The options are money, a thief, a robber, a miscreant. So, the answer would be they were looking for a thief. That's why they were looking for a thief under the bed, behind the curtain, okay, even up to the chimney. So, they were looking for a thief. That is the correct option. Next, what had happened? Again, this is a question. Full stop is there, but you may remove the full stop and you may put there a question mark. What had happened? The 4 options are there. I am exactly speaking the correct option. The correct option is C. Somebody invisible had committed a theft. So what had happened? That morning, that early morning, somebody invisible had committed a theft. Theft. So that is the correct option. Correct option is C. Next, the pronoun he stands for dash. The pronoun he stands for a clergyman. Who's that clergyman? What does it mean? Clergyman means like a Christian minister. Like Christian minister. Or you can say priest, father of a church. You can say. Okay, similar. Clergyman. So what would be the answer in this dash? The pronoun he stands for a clergyman. Next, they were greatly surprised because dash. Why were they surprised? Yes, the answer, they were greatly surprised because the room appeared to be empty. They were surprised because the room appeared to be empty. On the other hand, the desk was open and the housekeeping money was missing. Definitely, it was a matter of shock because there was nobody inside of the room. But on the other hand, at the same time, the drawer of the desk was open. So, it was really very strange for them. Next, question number 4. I want to know what you have been doing to my chair upstairs, she demanded. And I want to know how it is you come out of an empty room and how you entered a locked room. It was demanded by her. Number 1. In what state of mind is she? Angry, frustrated, curious, or excited? So the answer would be C is angry. She is angry, or you can say she is in the state of anger. She is in the state of anger. Otherwise, you may write down she is angry. Anyone you may write down. Next, number 2. She fears that the person spoken to is dash. She fears that the person spoken to is dash, an unusual person having supernatural powers, an abnormal person, a mysterious person. So according to me, I think the correct option is option D, a mysterious person. She fears that the person spoken to is a mysterious person. Because of that, she wanted to know about him all. Next, number 3. The pronoun she stands for dash. She stands for Mrs. Hall. Mrs. Hall. Who was that lady? Mrs. Hall, the landlord's wife at Iping. Okay. So, the pronoun she stands for Mrs. Hall, the landlord's wife of the place Iping. Next, number 4. The person addressed to is dash. Who was that person addressed to? The person addressed to is Mr. Griffin. Mr. Griffin, a strange scientist. Mr. Griffin, a strange scientist, criminal who made himself invisible after his experiments. I repeat once again. The person addressed to is Mr. Griffin, a strange scientist, a criminal who made himself invisible after some of his experiments. So he was a brilliant, really. So students, here we have completed all the question answers given in your practice paper, Footprints Without Feet. This is chapter number 5, written by H.G. Wells. Students, after discussion of the question answers available in your practice paper, Footprints Without Feet, chapter 5, then some questions are there. Page number 359. Page number 359. These are the question answers, very very important to be prepared. Why? Because these are the questions means already have been given in some other years for the final examination. See, number 1, question number 1. Why was Mrs. Hall angry with Griffin, the strange scientist? This question was given in the year 2016. Second question. How did Griffin become invisible? How did Griffin become invisible? The same question was given in the year of 2015 by CBSE. So students, serially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then section B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the questions. Means total 16 plus 5 means 21. 21 questions are there, which are very very important, and you must go through them closely so that you would be prepared with this chapter very very nicely. Very nicely. So student, I demand from you all, you have to write down all the answers of these following questions, because if you prepare these questions, so I don't think that you will have any trouble, any problem regarding this chapter, Footprints Without Feet. I suggest and I request at the same time to you all, please write down all the answers of the following questions. Page number, I repeat, page number 359 of your English practice paper. Class 10. Remember my words. Punch my words. Page number 359 of your English practice paper. Class 10. You must write down the answers of these questions. And in the next video session, I will ask you the answers of the same questions. So hope you all are fine. You have gone through this video very nicely. Hope you have understood. So thank you very much. Bye.